Hello everyone, welcome to Mann. I am Ranjan Kumar and today we are going to discuss some more and most important question of general aptitude, and this is for BEL Probationary Engineer people also, and those who having exam for non-executive EAT and technician C post for further unit. Like recently they have released admit card for Chennai and Panchkula unit and Ibrahimpatnam. So for that also later that for now next you that Bangalore, it also they are going to conduct for Bangalore. It will be your first week or second week exam is there in the January month. Okay, so this exam, this paper which we are going to discuss today, that is just now this exam happened for the EAT post for Ghaziabad unit, BEL Ghaziabad unit, and this exam held on 7 December 2025. Recently they have conducted exam for EAT post. So based on that we are going to discuss some questions which are useful for your exam also, whatever upcoming exam for BL, for that also it is important. Okay, so for PDF and more updates you can join this Telegram channel, and WhatsApp group is there. Here I am sharing the class notification, job notification, PDF study material you will get here only. Okay, and now you can access your course from the app Manmaker, the Manmaker, which is available in the Play Store, or you can access from the website also, www.manmaker.in. All right, so okay. We'll see some questions what they have asked in the exam. Like this is EAT electronics paper. So those who are belongs to EAT people, like those have gave exam in Ghaziabad, so for them this is common for all the EATs. Either you are from computer science or you are from electrical or mechanical, so this is common for everyone. All right, and this paper I also uploaded in the app, which who have taken the courses, who just go to PYQ section, there you will find this one. So here as you can see here, they have like this is EAT. So first we are going to discuss only general aptitude today. As you know, in the EAT they have asked 50 questions. They will ask for you from general aptitude section. Same they have asked in the Ghaziabad also, but little bit things they have made changes, like they haven't asked about GKGS. Instead of GKGS they have asked question from your computer, general knowledge of computer. All right, so see, as I told passes they are going to ask, I told one or two passes they will ask, but this time they asked three passes in the exam, and that too a big passage. Last time they have asked a small short passage. In that passage it is easy to find the answer and get choose from the option, but this time they gave little bit like long passages with the question type are also little bit it will be more difficult to find from the passages. So like that passage they gave, and they give based on that they asked 4 to 5 questions, and similarly you can find this answer in the passage, but it will take little bit time compared to that previous one. All right, so this I will upload in that PYQ section. You just go and read this passage and solve these questions whatever they have asked. You will find all the answer in the passage. Okay, and today we are going to discuss aptitude and reasoning questions which they have asked in the exam. All right, okay, so this we are skipping this passage thing, because no need to explanation of this thing, because answers are available in the passage only. You will read the passage, you will get the answer. Okay, now we'll start from the question number 13. Okay, so from question number 13, your question till 12 they have a passage, three passages they have asked. In that 3 to 4 questions there in each passages. Okay, so now from here reasoning and aptitude and computer question they have asked. So first question is your, means 13 question is your, this is the series they have given and they are asking in the place of this question mark which will come. Okay, what number will come? All right, so we have a number, it is 3, 27, 243 and 2187. We need to find the next one. Okay, so if you see here, you will find this will be your 3 to the power 1. Same, this 27 is your 3 to the power 3, and this is your 3 to the power 5, and this is your 3 to the power 7. So it is a odd number of power of 3, like that series is going on. Like 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 3 to the power 5 is 243, 3 to the power 7 is 2187. So now the next odd is what? 3 to the power 9. So 3 to the power 9 is how much? 3 to the 9 is 19683. Option 4 is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one is FJHL, then question mark we need to find. Okay, so whenever you will get like that question, I suggested you just write A B C D. So it will be A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y. So it will be, after writing this, you will find easily the answer like F. F and H. If you go after F, F is here, then H is here. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 2. F, G, H. After that, same thing I think you will find here. We'll see. Same thing it will come here. Then will L and it is given. So L and L N L M N plus 2, again it is doing plus 2, so L M N, like that series is going on. So simultaneously H, after H I is there, so here I will come, and next in the place of question mark you will get J, that is your first letter. So that after J what is? K is here, so K, after K here L is coming. So in the place of question mark first letter will come J. For the next one, compare J and L. J is here, L is here. So J, K, L. Okay. Again P and R. P and R is there. So in between Q is there. So P, Q, R. Like that same thing will happen here and here. So L. After L, M, N. So M will come here, and in the place of question mark N will come here. So that after N it is O. So NO is here, so it is O, and after O we are getting P here. Okay, understand? So like that, in the place of question mark we will get JN, which is option number 2. Okay, JN is your right answer. Now in this question we need to find the odd one. Okay, in the following series, which one is the odd one, which one is the different? So here if you see, this is 5. So 5 is what? If you write 2 to the power square plus 1, then we are going to get 5. Again, next one is 9. So if we do after power of 2, we'll do 2 to the power 3, then 2 to the power 3 plus 1, if you do, you will get 9. 9. After that 11 is there. So 11 after 2 to the power 3, then we will do 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 plus 1, that is your 17. Okay. So this is not matching, not equal to 11. Now we'll see next one, 33. 33, 2 to the power 4, after 4 it will be 5. So 2 to the power 5 plus 1, we are getting 33. Okay. Next 65. So 2 to the power 6 plus 1, we are getting 65. Now 129. So 2 to the power 7 plus 1, we are getting 129. Then 257 in 2 to the power 8 plus 1. So we are getting 257. Alright. So the thing is, only we are not getting this 11. Okay. 2 to the power 4 plus 1, we are getting 7. So instead of 11 here, 17 should be there, so that this is the correct sequence. So here in the question, we need to find the odd one. So odd one we have 11. So 11 is your answer. Option 3 is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one. Here also we need to find the odd one out. In this series we need to find the odd one out. So in this sequence, if you see this 121, 121 is a 11 square. 11 square is equal to 121. Then this 49, 49 is what? 7 square. 7 square is 49. Then 25, 25 means what? 5 square. 5 square is 25. So these three are a perfect square, we can say. These three are a perfect square, but this 721 is not a perfect square. Wow. Okay. So that means this is a odd one. So option A is your right answer. All right. Like that, you need to solve the question. If like that will come in the exam. This time they have asked moderate type question or lit hard question. Compared to previous one, previous they have asked easy based question only. But this time like that question came. Okay. So like that only you need to prepare for exam. The following question is based on the given diagram in which the triangle represent female graduate, a small circle represents self-employed female, and a big circle represents self-employed female. With bank loan facility, number are shown in a different sections of the diagram. On the basis of these numbers, answer the following question. So what is the first question? First question they have asked, how many female graduates are self-employed? Okay. How many female graduates are self-employed? So graduation means graduate, female graduate is shown by this triangle. Okay. And are self-employed. Self-employed, both are self-employed. Either it is small circle or big circle, both are self-employed people, but they asked graduate people, graduate with self-employed. So graduate we have a triangle and self-employed is a circle wala. So here you can see this self-employed 7, 5 and 8 which is coming under triangle. So 7 plus 5 plus 8, triangle is representing graduate, female graduate, and circle is representing self-employed. So 7 plus 5 plus 8, that is equal to 20. So answer will be your 20. So total 20 female are there who are female graduate, I mean who are graduates and self-employed also. Okay. So 20 is your answer. Now the next one is with the same diagram. How many female graduates are not self-employed? Okay. How many female graduates are not self-employed? Okay, so graduate, again it's came female graduate, so triangle is belongs to female graduate. Now not self-employed, so circle is representing self-employed, either small or big, both are self-employed. So we need to find who are not self-employed, means who are not coming under this circle. So only 4 is there who is graduate, but it is not coming under the circle. So option, I mean 4 is your right answer. Option A is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one, again same question from this diagram. How many non-graduate female are self-employed? Okay, how many non-graduate? Non-graduate means who are inside this triangle, they are graduate only, and who are not in the triangle and they are self-employed means they should be under in the circle. So here 1, this one 2, this is 6, this is 3, and this is 9. Okay, so these are under circle and but they are not under triangle. So this will be your 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9. That will be equal to how much? 21. Okay, so 21 is your answer. 4, option 4 is your answer. Okay, now the next one. In a certain code language, 1 2 3 1 2 3 means bright little boy. Okay, and 1 4 5 1 4 5 means tall big boy, and 6 3 7 means beautiful little flower. All right, so this three code and sentence they have given. Now it's asking which digit in that language means bright. So this is bright, what is the code of this bright they are asking. So the thing is bright is Bright is given in this code only. Bright is not available here. Bright is not available here. So our answer will be either 1, 2 or 3. So in this option 1 is not there. So now our answer either it will be 2 or 3. Means option 1 or option 3. So we need to find bright. So for that here we have a three word, that is bright, little and boy. Now we will find similar word in the next sentence. Like here boy is there. So here we have a boy also. So boy is here, and here if you find the common code, so here one is available, here one is available. So one is belongs to boy. Okay. Okay. So one we know, anyhow one is not in option. Now little is available here. Okay. So little is available. So 3 is here, 3 is here. Means 3 is belongs to little. Okay. 3 is belongs to little. Now we have only 2 which is not available in this. So 2 is bright only. So 2 is bright. Option 1 is your answer. Means 2 is related to this word bright. Option A is your right answer. Now the next one. The question came from direction, a little bit like logic wala question. Means generally this type of question they will ask in the bank exams, but they have asked here first time they have asked this type of question in the BL paper. So one morning after sunrise, Bimal started to work. During the work, he met Stephen, who was coming from opposite direction. Bimal watched the shadow to Stephen to the right of him, to which direction Bimal was facing. Okay, so whenever direction wala question come, you need to make a diagram like this. Okay, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. Okay, now the question is, in the question they have given one hint like Bimal watched shadow of Stephen to the right of him. Okay, when it is like after sunrise. So sunrise will be from the east, everyone know. So this Stephen shadow will be in this direction. Okay, it will come in this direction because sun is rising from east side. So you will get your shadow in the west side. It's a common thing. Okay, so it's now in the next line. It's saying during the work he met who was coming from opposite direction. Okay, so Bimal watched the shadow of Stephen to the right of him. Right of him. Okay, to the right of him means to the right of Bimal. So when Bimal will come from this side, then only Bimal right is this side and left is this side. This is Bimal. Okay, so Bimal right side shadow is there, means like this. So who Stephen is coming from this side because opposite direction is coming, so he is coming from this side. Now in the question it's asking to which direction Bimal was facing. So Bimal is coming from this side, means Bimal is coming like this, Bimal is coming like this means this is going to south side. So south side Bimal is facing her face. So option C is your right answer. South will be your answer. Okay. X knows more than A. X knows more than A. Okay. Y knows much as B. Y knows much as B. Z knows less than C. Z knows less than C. A knows more than B. A knows more than B. Okay. Who is the most knowledgeable person amongst the all? So if you make again this diagram, means this thing. So X is greater than A is greater than B, and B is equal to Y. But there is no comparison of Z and C with these things. So this question, like we can't determine the answer from here. So option 4 is your right answer. Okay. Now blood relation. Pointing to a photographer, a woman says, this man's son's sister is my mother-in-law. How is the woman's husband related to the man in the photograph? Okay. So somewhere in the photo, one man is there. Okay, and woman is pointing to him and saying like the main son's sister, he having one sister. Okay, is my mother-in-law. That woman mother-in-law, that woman is there. So her mother-in-law is the sister, and now is asking how is the woman's husband. Woman's husband means he belongs to woman's husband. Now he is asking how this husband is related to this man. In the question asking this thing. So if you see this husband, father is this one, and his father is this one. So husband is used to call him grandfather. Okay, grandfather. So now in the question they have asked how woman husband is related to the man. So this man is going to call this husband, means the relation will be grandson. Okay, so grandson is your answer. Option A is your right answer. Okay, now the next one is in a class of 60, in a class of 60 where girls are twice that of boys, Kamal ranked 17 from the top. If there are 9 girls ahead of Kamal, how many boys are after him in a rank? Okay, so there will be 60 people in the class, and in the question it is saying like girls are twice that of boys. So means if boys we having 20, then it will be twice of girls will be twice. So girls will be twice means 40 generally. So 20 plus 40 total 60 people are there. Okay, so this you know, this is boys and this is girls. Girls are 40 and boys are 20. Now in the question it is saying like from the top that Kamal is there somewhere. Okay, this Kamal is there, and from the top the rank will be 17. So rest of them here from starting to here total 16 member of 16 people will be there, means total 60 people will be there for here. Okay, means boys plus girls both are there, that will be your 16. All right, now here one more thing they have mentioned, if there are 9 girls. Okay, so here in the 16, if 9 girls are there ahead of Kamal, in the Kamal ahead of Kamal means total of 16, 9 girls are there. So how many boys are there? So boys equal to 16 minus 9, that is 7 boy will be there ahead of Kamal. Okay, and including Kamal, one more Kamal is also boy. So now in the question, how many boys after him? After him means now from this side, how many boys are there? That we need to find. So from like ahead, after like Kamal ahead, total 7 boy is there. Then one boy is Kamal is there. Now he is asking after Kamal how many boys is available now. So total how much here till here we have calculated 7 boy is there. Now plus 1. Kamal is also there. So total 8 boy is there till 17. 8 boy is there. Now after 17 how many boys are there? So total 20 boys are there in the question, means we have according to the question total 20 boy is there. So 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. So after Kamal total 12 means after this side. Okay, how many boys after him? So after him total 12 boys will be available. So option C is your right answer. Okay, at the end of the business conference all the 10 people present shake hands with each other. How many handshake will there we all together? Okay, same type of question. I hope you have seen Super 30 movie, that like Ritik Roshan is there in this movie. So Anand sir is that biography of Anand sir. In that also same question they have asked in the that movie also. So only this the thing is here number is changed. They have asked around 30 people are there. So here they have asked 10 question. So this is related to your permutation and NCR and NPR. Okay, so here you need to put the formula of NCR actually. Okay, so NCR here it is given 10 people is there. Okay, 10 people is there, and handshake it is going on. So one time two hand it is going to interact. Okay, so R will be your 2, and NCR is equal to what? N factorial divided by R factorial n minus R factorial. This is the formula. All right, n minus R total factorial. This is the formula. So n we have 10, so 10 factorial divided by r we have how much? R we have 2, so 2 factorial, n minus n we have 10 and 2 factorial. Okay, so 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into this one is your 8 factorial. Now 10 factorial means 10 into 9 into 8 factorial, we can write like this. Then this 2 factorial, 2 into 1 into 8 factorial. So 8 factorial, 8 factorial cancel. 2 and this will be in 5 times. So 5 into 9 is 45. So 45 hand sank happened. Okay. So option B is your answer. Like this also in that film they have asked question, you can put this formula, you can get that answer also. Alright. Now the next one is the ones digit of 2-digit number is thrice its tens digit. What is the number? What is that number? If when 54 is added to it, the digit get reversed. Okay. All right. The ones digit of 2-digit number is thrice its 10 digit. Okay. Let's say that number is A. Okay. So now according to this sentence, it is saying that 10 digit. So 10A plus it will be price of that one. So 3A. So total number will be, we have that number is 13A. Number we are getting 13A. Okay. Now in the question they are asking what is the number if when 54 is added to it. Okay. So whatever number we have, that 13A number we have. So in 13A we are adding 54 here. Okay. 54, then this whatever number we are getting, whatever digit we are getting, that will be of reverse of that digit. Reverse of means reverse of this number. That means 13A plus 54 equal to reverse of 13 is 31A. Like that it is saying in the question. Now we need to find the value of A. So we can calculate like this. From here we can say 54 is equal to 31A minus 13A. Okay, and 54 is equal to 13. Here we need to do again 54, this will go this side, 13A. Okay, okay, correct, only 18A. So here 54. Now A is equal to what? 54 divided by 18 we are getting. Okay, so it will be 3. Okay, A value we got 3. So A is 3. Now we have a number 13A only. 13A, so that digit is 13A. 13 into 3 is equal to 39. So the number is your 39. Option C is your right answer. Okay. If a 1.50 meter long rope is divided into 3 parts in the ratio of 1:2:3, then the length in a centimeter of the shortest part. Okay, in a centimeter we need to find. So first we are going to convert this thing in a centimeter. Okay, this is in a meter. So for centimeter we need to calculate. We need to do multiplication of 100. So it will be 150 centimeter. Now in the question it's saying 1:2:3 is going to divide, means when we are going to divide this thing we are getting in the ratio. Okay, so generally 150 is dividing, so we are getting this thing. So the thing is when you add this thing you will get 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? 6 you are getting. Now so according to me, I mean according to this ratio we are getting 6. 6 is going to divide in this 3 ratio, but in the question they are asking we are dividing 150 and we are getting that thing. Okay, so according to question 150 by 6 is equal to how much? 25. So 25 times it is given in the question, and according to ratio we are considered 6 here. So 25 times it is more in the question. So ratio is also going to be more 25. So 25 multiply of 25. So in the question it's asked what it asked, like shortest part. So shortest part is 1 only, 1 into 25. So 25 is your answer. Option A is your answer. If they have asked for longest one is your 3. So 3 into 75, I mean 25, it is 75. Like that, whatever they have asked, you need to give the answer. Okay. Now the next one. For how many years should Kapil deposit 6,500 at 8% per annum to earn a simple interest of this one? Okay, so we have SI, that is simple interest 2080. Okay, principal amount we have 6500 and rate we have 8%. And in the question it's asking time, means how much time they need to pay this much amount. So simply we have a formula SI equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Okay. So we have everything, we need to find the T. So T is equal to what? T, how we can write? T we can write SI into 100 divided by P into R. Like that we can write from the formula. So SI we have 2080. All right. Then this is your 100, and P we have how much? 6500, and time we sorry, rate we have 8%. So this 00 we can remove from here. Now this one from 4, like 4 into 2 is 8. So this will be 4 into 5, and this 8 will be go in the 2 times. So 520, like 4 table. With the 4 table we have deducted this one. So we are getting like this. Now from the 13 5 ja 65, and 13 4 ja 52. So this is 40. Now 5, and this will be 8 times. So okay, now this 2 and this will be 4. So time is equal to how much? Time is equal to 4 years. So 4 is your answer. Okay, like that simply you need to remember the formula and get the answer. When interest is compounded half yearly, interest is calculated twice in a year. So the rate of each half year is taken as dash the annual rate. So this will be your half only. Option B is your right answer. The salary, okay. The salary of an employee in a company is 20,000 a month, and she saves 35% of her salary. What money does the she spend each month? Okay, so salary she is getting 20,000, and she is going to save 35% of her salary. So we'll find this one. So this will be your 7,000. So 7,000 rupees per month she is going to do saving. Okay. So now it's asking how much, apart from that, how much she is doing spend or expense. So 20,000 total salary is there. In that she is spending 7,000. I mean she is saving 7,000. So rest 13,000 they are going to spend. Okay. So 13,000 is your answer. Option C is your right answer. Okay. Now the next one is your, okay, pens are brought at the rate of I mean 6 per rupees and sold at 5 for a rupees. What will be the gain percentage? Okay. Pens are brought at a rate of 6 for a rupees. So our cost price will be how much? Cost price for a one pen. Cost price of one pen will be 1 by 6. Okay. Same for selling price of one pen will be 1 by 5 rupees. What will be the gain percent? So for the gain percent, we need to find the profit. So profit is equal to what? Profit is your selling price minus cost price. So selling price we have 1 by 5, cost price 1 by 6. So it will be your 30. It will be your 6 minus 5. So 1 by 30 we are getting profit. Now here it's asked profit percent or gain percent. So profit percent or gain percent, how we are calculating? Profit percent is equal to P divided by cost price into 100. So profit we are getting 1 by 30, cost price we have 1 by 6, 1 by 6 into 100. Okay, so now 1 by 30 into 6 into 100, we can write like this. Okay, this cancel, this 3, this is 2 times, so 2 into 10 is equal to 20%. So 20% is your answer. Okay. Now, next question. If the speed of if the speed of a 100-meter long train is 144 km per hour, then in how much time will this train cross the standing pole? Okay, so it is given in kilometer per hour and this one is in a meter. So we need to, as in the answer they have asked in a second, so we need to convert this thing in a meter per second. So this is a speed it is given as a 144 kilometer per hour. So to convert in a meter per second, what we are doing, 144 into 5 by 18, that will be your meter per second. I told you in the classes also why we are doing 5 by 18 or 18 by 5. Right. So 1 by 44 into 5 by 18, if we do this thing, so this will be your 8 times. Okay, so here we are getting 40 meter per second. So your speed is 40 meter per second, and distance they have given, length or distance they have given 100 meter. So we need to find time is equal to what? Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance we have how much? 100 meter. Okay, and speed we have how much? Speed is 40 meter per second. So 40 meter per second, this cancel, so this will be 2.5 second. Time will take 2.5 second. Option C is your right answer. Okay, next one. How much time in hour will be taken by a boat to go 45 km downstream if the speed of a boat in a still water is 10 km per hour and the speed of a stream in a 5 km per hour? Okay, so the thing is, first we need to find the speed. Okay, downstream speed, that is your total speed, that will be your speed of boat and plus stream speed. Okay, stream speed. So speed of boat it is given 10 km per hour and this one is 5 km per hour, so total is 15 km per hour. Okay, now we need to go for 45 km down. Okay, distance. So time we need to find, so time is equal to what? Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance we have 45 km per hour and speed we have 15 km per hour. So this will be your 3 km per hour. Answer will be your option A. Okay. Amit buy some rice at 10.40 per kilogram and some at 8.8 per kg. He mix both varieties of a rice and the final mixer become 50 kg in a weight and the total worth is 146.40. What is the quantity in kg of a rice price of 8.8 per kg mixture? Okay. So the thing is, okay, all right, okay. So let the quantity of 8.8 per kg rice is x. Okay, we are considering as a x kg. We have a quantity of that rice. Now another rice we have that will be your 10.40. Okay, that will be rate of 10.40. So it will be total after mixing we are getting 15 kg. So we are considering 15 minus x kg it is. Okay, now according to the question, if we calculate the total cost, so total cost will be for 8.8 per kg, it will be 8.8x plus it will be your 4 I mean 10.40 and 15 minus x, okay, and this we are getting 146.40, like this we are getting. So 8.8x it is given here. We need to calculate this thing. 8.8x plus this into this is 156 plus 10.40x, okay, not plus, it is minus actually, and equal to 146.40 we are getting here. Now if you calculate this thing, so we can write here 8.8x and 10.40, we need to do minus, so it will be minus 1.6x we are getting, and here also we need to do 146.40 minus this will go this side 156, so minus 1.6x equal to this one will be your 156 minus this one, so minus 9.6 we are getting, this and this cancel, x equal to 9.6 by 1.6, this point and point cancel, so 16 6 ja 19 6, so 6 kg is your answer. 6 kg, option B is your answer. Okay, so the quantity of 8.8 per kg rice is how much? 6 kg. So this is your answer. Now the next one is your the sum of the square of x and 3. Okay, sum of the square of x and 3. Sum of the square of x square and 3 square is equal to 26. Then what is the number of x? So x square plus 9 equal to 26. X square equal to 26 minus 9, that is your 17. So x is equal to what? Root under 17. So root under 17, option 4 is your right answer. Okay. A man walking at the rate of 5 kilometer per hour, okay, and crosses the bridge in a 15 minute. What is the length of the bridge in a meter? We need to find in a meter, and it is also given in a minute, but here it is given in a kilometer per hour. The speed it is given 5 kilometer per hour, so we need to convert this thing in a meter per minute. Okay, meter per minute. So for that, 5 into this is 5 into 1000, that means it like meter. Then for a minute we need to divide by 60. Okay, so around we are going to get 83.33 meter per minute. Okay, now we need to find what is the length. Distance we need to find, distance or length we need to find. So distance is equal to what? St, speed into time. Speed we have 83.33 and time we have 15 minute, so approx we are going to get 1250. Option 1 is your right answer from here. Okay, what is the smallest number exactly divisible by 12, 15, 20 and 27? Whenever you will get like this question, simply you need to take the LCM. Okay, so from the 2 it will be 6, it will be 15, it will be 10, it will be 27. Now again 2, so it will be 3, it will be 15, it will be 5, it will be 27. Now from 3 times it will be 1, it will be 5, it will be 5, it will be 9, and again from the 5 times it will be 1, it will be 1, it will be 1, it will be 9. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 9 is equal to 540. Option C is your right answer. Okay, Surya has 504 DVDs in her collection. She has brought some new storage boxes which hold 42 DVDs each. How many of the boxes will she need for her whole collection? So simply 504 divided by 42, that is equal to 12. So 12 is your answer. Option C is your answer. Okay. Now from here, that is your 39. So 39, from here your computer knowledge started. In a computer keyboard what is the function of Windows key when it is pressed? So whenever we are going to press Windows key, it will open start menu. Okay, so start menu, to open start menu, option D is your right answer. Okay. In an internet, dash is the amount of data that can be transmitted over a network in a certain amount of a time. So amount of data that we are transmitting over a network, and that we are called as a bandwidth. Okay, so option A is your right answer, that is your bandwidth. Dash controls the monitor and traffic coming to or from a network based on the predefined security rules. So that will be defined by a firewall. Option D. Firewall is generally control and monitor the traffic coming from or to the network based on the predefined security rule. Okay. In a computer, the slots into which we connect the mouse, keyboard, external hard disk wire are called. Generally, this thing we are connecting with a port, either USB port, any other port. So it's called as a port. Okay, option B is your right answer. In a computer terminology, one nibble is equal to what? It is one nibble is equal to 4 bits. Okay, one nibble is equal to 4 bits, and one byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay, remember this thing. The dash manages the instruction given to a computer, and it coordinates the activity of the all other unit in the system by instructing rest of the components of the computer. So this will be done by CU, that is your control unit. So control unit, option A is your right answer. Okay. The spelling and grammar of the text in the MS Word document can be checked by checking and spelling and the grammar option in the proofing group of the review button. Okay, review tab is there actually. From there we can check spelling and grammar of that in the MS Word. So review is there. Option 2 is your right answer. The shortcut key to search the meaning of the selected word in the MS Word. So generally in the MS Word, if you want to find the meaning of that one, so just select that one and press Shift plus F7, then you will get the meaning of that word. Okay, Shift plus F7. In MS Excel, to make a number in a cell C1 10% smaller than the number in C3, then you should enter. So 10 percentage smallest means 100 minus 10, that is your 90. So for C3 you need to write equal to C3, this will like star, then it will be dot, and 10% means 100 minus 10, that is your 90. So option 4 is your right answer. Okay. In MS Excel, to select several cells or range that are not touching each other, so and you would dash while selecting. Okay, so this thing generally by control key, if you press the control key and drag that one, then it will not touch each other. Okay, so hold down the control key, hold down the control key. Option A is your right answer. While using the computer mouse, what is the term used when you press and hold the left mouse key and move the mouse around? So when you press left button and mouse, you are dragging or moving, that is called as a drag only. So dragging, option B is your right answer. Okay. Which of the following statement is not correct about random access memory? So random access memory, RAM is non-volatile. Generally RAM is a volatile memory. Okay, RAM is a volatile memory. RAM is a volatile memory. So this is only not correct, because RAM is a volatile memory. ROM is a non-volatile memory. Okay, and RAM is used to store data temporarily while computer is working. Once power is off, data will be vanished. It is the primary memory of a computer system. Correct only. So all this correct. So this one is wrong actually. RAM is a volatile memory. So option A is your right answer. Okay. Which form of the oral communication allow both sender and receiver uh, okay, so this is your domain question, I mean branch question. Okay, so till here you have a technical, I mean general aptitude question, total 50 question. General aptitude question, like that question they have asked in this time, like 7 December exam happened for EAT BL Ghaziabad. For that time they have asked this question. Same changes they have done, like before for a general aptitude question. Generally they are asking simple or basic questions like formula based, like that only formula based question and all. And but from the last two times, like HLS trainee engineer exam happened, that time also they have asked little bit moderate and hard wala question for general aptitude. And this time also for EAT also they have asked like this. So you need to cover more the things, like you need to be more prepared for general aptitude also. So like that things it is available here in the course. The Manmaker app is there. Okay, in that if you go to all course, either you are preparing for probationary engineer, EAT exam or ITI technician C exam. So this is the BL pattern, this is the BL exam pattern which they are taking for general aptitude. Either it is related to trainee engineer, EAT exam, ITI, probationary engineer, deputy engineer, FT engineer, whatever exam they are taking, they are considering this syllabus. And in some exam, they question level will be easy. In some exam, question level will be hard. Okay, so all things are here available. GK GS. This time they haven't asked GK GS. I will add computer section here also. I will give some computer question. You just complete that one also. Those who have taken, just open this one. In the next section, in this like 6th section, you will get computer question. You prepare that one also for the next exam. Okay, either if you are preparing for probationary engineer also, this computer exam is also important. You can also expect passage questions and DI questions this time. Okay, because BL is giving surprise for everything. All right, so if you those who haven't taken till now, just go to the site, I mean Manmaker app. From there go to all course. This photo you will find there, general aptitude BL, it is written there. Take this one, complete this one. This is enough. Apart from that, video classes I told about. Video classes, this is most important thing for general aptitude. If you are preparing for general aptitude, so here you would just need to go to my channel. In this you will find BL Probationary Engineer exam. Either you are preparing for EAT or technician C also, you need to complete this general aptitude playlist section. Here you will find 4 to 5 questions that you 4 to 5 video, you need to complete this one, then only you are going to cover this general aptitude sections, because they are asking little bit hard and moderate question. So this playlist you need to complete. After that, if you have time, complete this two playlist also, general aptitude class and reasoning class. Okay, if you have time, complete this one. Apart from that, this is mandatory. PL general aptitude, this playlist is mandatory. This you need to complete before your exam. Okay, apart from that, this already available in app, so that you can take. And those who are preparing for EAT and ITI technician C exam, so for that, general aptitude and technical course already available in the app, the Manmaker app. Just go there, take this one, complete this one, go for exam. And like whatever paper I got from the Ghaziabad, I will upload in your section in PYQ section. You can access from there. Apart from that, like recently it is going to exam of your Hyderabad, Chennai and whatever, and that I will give you after that exam also. And who are preparing for probationary engineer exam also, so your course is also available here. You just take this one, finish this one, your exam is also near. But the general aptitude is common for everyone, either you are giving for EAT or ITI or probationary or FTE or deputy engineer, any exam, general aptitude is common for everyone. Okay, so this much only. Alright, if you like the video, just hit like on a button, kindly share with your friends. And if you not subscribe my channel till now, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much.